This carrot and banana cake is one of our oldest and most loved recipes. It's a delicious moist cake and easy to make with a simple cream cheese frosting. The carrot, banana, sugar, sultanas, walnuts and eggs go in first, followed by our Mellow Yellow cold-pressed rapeseed oil. It works so well for baking with its buttery, nutty taste and low saturated fat. After a good beating, the flour, mixed spices and baking powder gets sieved in. Another thorough mix and then into a lined tin. It takes around an hour to cook at 160 and it'll be firm and springy to touch when it's done. The frosting's cream cheese, vanilla essence and sieved icing sugar. You can simply spread it over the cooled cake, or for a special occasion, spending a bit more time on the decoration really can create a beautiful centrepiece for your table. Follow us for more delicious recipes or visit our website.